Hey everyone, Simon Harris here. Welcome to the live demo of VPS. I'm super pumped to be showing you exactly the power that this software can do and help generate massive things in your business. So this is a full walkthrough of all the features that you're able to do using the VPS, Viral Payment Software Platform. Okay, so the first screen you're going to see when you come in is the website one, right? Right here, you're able to add as many websites as you like. That's right, guys, you're able to add as many websites as you like. And here we're going to start off with my very own website, which is the Launch Express. Okay, so just click General, type in the Launch Express, and then we'll add the launchexpress.com domain right here. Okay, then, and we click Save, and we'll get taken back to this window. Then Campaigns tab, and you'll be able to see that we have no campaigns. So we click Add Campaign right now, and then just put it here, Demo Launch Express. Okay, so we can put website, so you want to click the website, so any website you want you can have on here, of course, and then you can put campaign, unlock test, okay? So this is where your text is going to go, then the help test, so the instructional text right here, okay? So right here we'd have sort of the headlines, side headlines, exactly what they're going to get by unlocking the content, and then exactly what they need to do to unlock the content, okay? Because we're adding templates in right now for you guys to use. And on the right hand side, you'll be able to see that this is the on and off button, basically to turn the campaign on and off. You have the leaderboard mode, which is the first O2O, which is the upsell, the O201. And you have the unlock mode, okay? So inside the unlock mode, we're going to go with this one. You have wait to unlock, pay to unlock, referral hits. That's right, when it generates its own referral codes, and subscribe to the mailing list as well, okay? So you can build your list, share things, make things go viral using this, which is awesome. Okay, so referral hits, that's basically social media, things like that. And also you're able to do, so when you click these, you'll see the options pop up. So you have time here, obviously then we can click the pay to unlock, pops up the amount and the email address, your PayPal email address that you want. Referral hits, basically the return URL, required amount of hits for them to have the things unlocked. So you have 1, 10, whatever you want, and also subscribe to mailing list as well, okay? So the return URL for that one too, okay? Then you can deliver everything you need through that, okay? So there's loads to do right here. We're going to actually create one in each campaign, go through each single one. You can actually have all campaigns run at the same time if you would like. So if you want to give them 4 options or 2 options or 1 option or 3 options to move for them to unlock, so they can wait to unlock, pay to unlock, referral hits, subscribe to mailing list, then you are able to do that. So it's going to help drive the traffic into the easiest one for them. So it could be waiting, which you can have a video, etc., things like that on as well. Okay, so let's crack on and let's actually create a campaign right now. The first campaign we're going to try out is actually the wait to unlock, the one right at the top. Okay, so right here you can add in the campaign unlock text. So this is after it's been unlocked. Okay, so your 10% this coupon code is okay, and then obviously you can move that around, and then the campaign and just wait. So receive your coupon code 10%. Okay, so here you're able to add stuff in if you wanted to read things or if you wanted to go through things, things they're going to make them, that you need them to read, maybe some different images, things like that. Okay, so we're going to pick template 1, and then down here you're able to see how many seconds wait to unlock. So let's just put 15 seconds, like I said, inside the text. You can have it as an exit pop, or you can have it as a time delayed pop-up. Okay, if you want it to appear straight away, then just leave those 2 blank. But let's just say right here I want it to, come within pop up to trigger 2 seconds in. Okay, you have box here to add some stuff in, and then what you're gonna do is click save. Okay, then you're gonna be taken back to this. Then what you need to do is just click back in, and it will generate the code for you right here. Okay, so you just control all, copy. And what I want to stress right here now is that we should just paste this embed code anyway inside of the body tag where you want to see the campaign appear. Okay, so that's not the header tag, the body tag. Okay guys, so let's head over there right now and let's go and make sure this is all working great for us. Okay, as you can see, it's counting down right now, and you're able to actually then wait for the content to load up, and as soon as it hits 0, it will unlock the content for you.
And as you can see, it's unlocked the content there for you, all right? So it's really powerful. You can get people to, read specific messages when, before the content, the timer runs out, you can have it last for as many seconds as you want or as little as you want. And then the coupon code will appear and then they can use that. And then obviously they can go carry on the page to buy the product or whatever you have and move on to the next stage, okay? Okay, awesome. Now you've seen that feature, let's go into our next feature without further ado. And let's do the payment feature, okay? So let's click that ready to activate right now and then make sure the campaign's activated. And then what I want to do is say, let's put the demo launch express and let's say pay, okay? So once again, launch express, and the unlock context, this one maybe it could be like your access right here, and then thank you page URL, for example, okay? And then what you want to do is like, hey, just $1 you can get my you can say, my membership site, for example, okay? So if you use template 2, template 3, you don't want it to export, you want it to come straight away, you want to pay $1, okay? So that's what you want to do, $1 and your PayPal email address, right guys? So let's just say payment at the launch express, let's make sure .com, okay? So you want to play that, or you can have $10, so let's just say $10. Micropayments is all sorted here. It's all integrated, so you don't have to go and integrate anything. This is how it's all going to be done for you, right guys? So then all you have to do once again is click save and it's ready to go. And then when you click back in, once again, all you do is you'll have a brand new code ready, control, and go and put it straight on the page you want. So let's head over there now and have a look how the payment template looks onside your website. Cool, and as you can see, we're right here on the PayPal page, and you're able to just click with PayPal, and then able to access whatever you have right behind there, and the money will drop into your account, and the system will do all the work for you, okay? So you can actually monetize this straight off the bat, okay? So all you have to do is make sure that you pick the currencies you want and everything like that inside the campaign area, which will be shown in the training, and then you're able to unlock everything that you need by actually making money straight away. Awesome, so now you've seen that feature, I want to show you a couple more. So we're going to add a brand new campaign and show you the next feature on, okay? So the next feature right here is referral hits, okay? So I want to hit the campaign, once again, demo. Awesome, okay, then select the website, add your unclocked content here, if it's a coupon or whatever it is, coupon, etc. Then obviously the help text, exactly, share your referral link to access the product. Okay, then you click the template you want, and then basically you return URL and the amount of hits. Okay, so the amount of hits could be 1, they could be 100, they could be 3. Okay, then return URL the launch.com. Okay, so this is the URL that they'll be sending back to, and then what you need to do once again, just click save down. You'll be taken back to the referral link, click referral, make sure this is on right here, grab your copy and paste, and let's see how this looks right now. Let's make sure this is right as well. So let's go 10, save. And I'm actually sure, and what's really cool about this one is that you're going to be able to see exactly how many hits you are, keep things. So I'm really looking forward to showing this. Click save down. I'll go and put that on my thing and we'll have a look how it looks like on my site right now. As you can see right now, we have one of the templates, as of course I'm just picking the one template every single time, and what it will generate is a brand new link for your customer, yourself, to go and share to build up the points needed to complete this offer. Okay, so as you can see right here, new visitor guide. So basically right here, I just wanted to put down that a new visitor will give you 10 points, which is enough to unlock. So what you want to do is I want you to share. So they can instantly share it here from Facebook, Google, Twitter, and we're adding more social media sites in as we speak, as well as, being able to, then say what position you are in the leaderboard featured as well. Okay, so what they need to do is just go and share that, or ask someone to click it, then they come and they see all the content and things like that. It's really good, really powerful. So now this is where the viral effect comes from. Okay, so it's pretty simple. The link's generated for them. And they're able to go ahead and get those links working, and then as soon as they get their points, they can come back and they will have the content unlocked, and it'll let them know exactly where they are on the leaderboard,
and things like that. And of course, very shortly I'm going to show you how all the stats work and how this works and how you're able to monetize and monitor all this underneath the dashboard, right? So, okay, awesome. Wait, okay, so there's one more front end feature I want to show you before we go on to the O2O features. So we're going to go back in, and it's obviously the subscribe to mailing list, okay? So basically we can do, once again, demo subscribe. So I won't bore you too much with this again. You just click it through. It's pretty straightforward, okay? So Launch Express, your text here. What they're going to get, your text here. And then basically what you want to do is pick the template you want. You'll be able to set, obviously, once again, return URL. Once again, you're going to put the URL that's going to be distributed, you know, that they're going to be sent to when they opt in, all right, guys? So that's definitely that. Make sure the campaign's online. And let's jump over show you exactly how it looks and what's going to happen when the person opts in for the content unlocker, okay? So let's just click save. Once again, head back in, grab the code, edit on the page, and let's just go over now and have a look exactly how it looks on that page. Well, as you can see right here, you're able to get them to unlock the content by entering their email address, okay? So you're able to build a huge list by this, and you're still able to share it over, okay? So one thing I've been doing very much with this is having them subscribe, and so they're able to either subscribe or and share the referral link. So they have to subscribe and they have to share the referral link, okay? So that is building a list and sharing things virally, okay? All by the power of these people moving things forward. So I'm really, really pumped. You know, this is huge. We're going to be doing it for the launch. That's right. We're going to be having things on the launch where, you know, we're going to help them share things. We want you to use it on your bonus pages to unlock coupons and everything like that. And we're really pumped. We're really excited by the power of this. Okay, so all they have to do is enter their email address and it'll unlock the content. Okay, so awesome. So one thing I also want to show you is the stats column right now. As this is a brand new account, you're not going to see too many stats right now. But what you're going to see is here you're going to have all your campaigns, total hits. That means the amount of people that have hit your page or you know, created, you know, actually hit your page. Then total subscribers, if you're using subscribers, going to have it there. Then obviously total weighted items, so obviously 5 out of 5 weighted. Total hits in the last 24 hours, 5. Total subscribers, total in the last 24. Okay, and then we're going to be adding more into here, so that'll be to give you a bit more of an idea what's going on. Okay, so let's just jump straight into here. And yes, we have given you more detail. That's right, graphs, times. We're going to be able to see here if anyone subscribed. So basically, if you have the subscription detail saved as well, it's going to be on there. People who waited the last 24 hours. And then what you're able to do is go through dates. You can pick the dates, back when, how long the campaign's going. You're able to do all of that. Right here, then, you're going to have your referral hits. Okay, so you're going to see the tokens that were generated for the referral, the IP addresses that were waited on, the time and dates when they happened. If you have an email subscription, then you're going to have all the details here. The name, the email, if they were validated, the IP address, time. And then what you're able to do is you're actually able to export all this details for your own things, especially if you have an email details, you want to export those and put them into your autoresponder, or you know, do what you will with them under good practice, of course. Okay, and that's basically all done. So you're going to have the stats basically for every single campaign separated out. You're able to go into it, have a look, pick the stats that you want to see if you're using email subscriptions, weighted times out, hits in the last 12 hours, and you can see all the details broken down in numbers. I like to make decisions on numbers if campaigns are doing well. We need that, and that's why we've gone quite heavy into the stats, and we are listening. So if there's anything you want extra in the stats, let us know. We're going to build it for you, okay? One other feature, just to cap off, I want to show you guys, which I found is very, very powerful. One of the biggest posts that used to go viral for me, especially running campaigns, was a raffle, okay? So basically what that means is that I would give a big package, basically for, if you know, likes and shares, okay? So I'll pick one winner, like I said. But what I had to do, I had to keep on top of all that, okay? So, you know, I had to keep looking, making sure that people liked and shared and commented or something like that. This raffle system does it all for you, okay? So what you can do is you can head into, actually right now I'm going to results. So based on the referral hits, right now you are able to then actually put that you want 1 winner, 2 winner, 10 winners, 1 winner. And basically, you could say if you share this 1 time or if you share this 2 times, they'll build up points. Like I showed you when we built the campaign up you're able to, you know, say like 1 point for a lead, 10 points for a subscription. Okay, so 1 point for a hit, 10 points for a lead. And what will happen then is you can say that you have to have a minimum of 50 points. Click search, and then it'll pull the winner up. It'll do it all for you. Okay, so there's no need for the headaches of trying to maintain all that right there. Okay, and as I said, you'll be able to see the full leaderboards as well inside of stats. If you were running leaderboards, people think, as you can see, the subscribe thing, these will be ranked inside of, so they'll have a number here, and they'll have a ranking of it. That's their number right there. That means how many points they have, okay? And they'll be ranked in order of who has been hitting it on the referral hits. Ranked number first and work their way down, okay? And you can have per page how many results you want. You can search for a specific email address or specific referral link to find that. So we've got it all covered when it comes to building that up. That most of that is O201, but the stats are all part of the front end offer, okay? Anything you need, guys, I hope that you understand that demo. If you want a live demo, one-on-one call, and me to set up some campaigns for you, let me know. My details are on the page below, and I look forward to absolutely crushing this campaign for you. Can't thank you enough for watching this video. I'll speak to you soon.